Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Six Flags Hurricane Harbor, LA is now open select days through October 3rd to California residents. Tickets and reservations are required in advance online. According to the state of California requirements, only in-state visitors may make a purchase and/or reservation at the current time.
Let's help you make your mark.
25 water slides. Hurricane Harbor now has 25 water slides, including the 500-foot-long Bahama Blast inner tube slide, and the 4-story high zero-gravity The Half Pipe. Its wave pool holds 800,000 gallons of water, and a winding man-made river has 7 different water action zones. There are also private cabanas.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Welcome to Six Flags Hurricane Harbor. Hurricane Harbor LA is back with a splash. The park is now open select days for California residents through October 3rd. Tickets and reservations are now available online.
Take our lead.
Valencia, Calif. Business Wire. Six Flags Hurricane Harbor, located next door to Six Flags Magic Mountain, announced plans to reopen the park to members and pass holders on May 15 to 16, and to the general public on May 22, 2021.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.